Hello and welcome, Sabi from CodeRevolution here. I recently found a new way of promoting my content and I want to share it with you. So, uh, Quora is a perfect way for free promotion, self-promotion, and promoting your stuff, website, products, and everything you want to sell or just get tons of visitors to it. Okay, so let's get started. I just created recently a Quora account and started answering questions here. And uh, people start knowing me and recognizing me, and I start to build a brand also on Quora. Also, after this, people will click on my links to my website and my portfolio from Code Canyon, to my YouTube channel, to my blog. Okay, and people will start pouring into my website. As you can see, I made this month 5,000 answer views for 80 answers I answered recently. Okay, so let's give you some insights on how to be productive on Quora. First of all, you have to make your profile as good as possible to increase visibility. So first of all, because the Quora community has no tolerance for self-promotion and spam, you should not add your own links in the answers that you write. So links to your content should be in your profile description, links and other stuff. Also, your credentials and highlights should reflect what you have accomplished so far. So here you should be your name, your current status, and a description. And here in this description, insert all the links that you want to get traffic to. And a nice picture with your face visible in it. So don't put objects or anything else. Your face should be visible on Quora to gain credibility. So Quora gives you tremendous exposure by showing your bio next to each answer. So if we check my answers, so let's check an answer. It's here. So your bio is shown here. Okay. So people will click on your account and will see this and will click also on your links that you put here. Your bio is an excellent means of branding and should be both professional and catchy. It should also be short, since Quora does not like long bios. Okay. The next step is getting social. So if you go to your settings on Quora, you should connect all your social networks. Okay. Also, after you respond to questions, you will see that you will get followers. You should build up your follower base here on Quora. And also you have blogs. You can create a blog, and the blogs can be also used for shameless self-promotion. Okay. So you should understand your in which domain you are and respond to questions in the respective domain at most. So you should be very active and build your following. This is very important. And Quora can be also used as a research and brainstorming tool. So you can follow other people and see what questions they have and what answers they provide. And you can also explore for competitor research. Okay. Also, answers can be shared on your social media. This will also increase your outreach. And another cool thing is that Quora has this stats feature, which will show how many visitors you get and how many views you get. So as you can see, in 3 days of activity I had so far on Quora, I got almost 5,000 views to my responses, and this is the daily activity on my responses. My Quora account is still new. So, in a nutshell, this is it. Quora is a very cool and a powerful way to create traffic to your blog, which is also free. So you don't have to pay a dime for this. Yeah, so this is it. After you get to Quora, your brand will also be discussed here, and you will gain extra traffic from it. Other people will ask questions about you, and we also will get responses. Okay, so this is all for now. Go ahead and use Quora for traffic building. This is a very cool tool. Don't forget that your answers should bring value to the question. Don't just put there a bunch of links because you will be banned by the community. Bring value with your answer, and you will see that traffic will come to your site. Okay. So this is all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, bye bye.